Welcome to the Feastables factory, the home of MrBeast's famous chocolate peanut butter cups. Today, we're taking an inside look at how these creamy, crunchy, chocolatey treats are made, from the moment raw ingredients arrive, all the way to packaging and distribution. So, sit back, relax, and let's walk through the delicious journey of how a Feastables peanut butter cup comes to life. Every peanut butter cup starts thousands of miles away, on a cocoa farm in West Africa or South America. Farmers harvest cocoa pods by hand. Inside every pod, there are dozens of cocoa beans. These beans are fermented, dried under the sun, and shipped to the Feastables chocolate facility. Why this matters? Because Feastables was built with the promise of simple, clean ingredients. No weird chemicals, no artificial fillers, no junk. So before the chocolate even enters the factory, its journey begins with real farmers growing real cocoa. At the factory, the cocoa beans are cleaned carefully. Dust removed, stones removed, anything that shouldn't be chocolate, gone. Then it's time for one of the most important steps, roasting. The beans tumble inside giant steel roasters at high temperatures. This is where the real chocolate flavor wakes up. The aroma, the deep taste, the richness. After roasting, the beans go into a cracking machine. Shells break off, leaving behind pure cocoa nibs. These nibs enter massive grinders, turning into a smooth liquid called cocoa liquor. Imagine a river of molten chocolate flowing through metal pipes. Yeah, that's what it looks like inside. Now the factory blends the cocoa liquor with only a few ingredients: organic cocoa butter, cane sugar, a tiny amount of sunflower lecithin so it stays smooth. No artificial flavors, no fillers, just the essentials. Huge industrial mixers churn the chocolate base for hours. The longer it mixes, the smoother it becomes. This part of the process is called conching, and it can take anywhere from 12 to 48 hours. The result? A silky, glossy, premium chocolate mixture ready for action. Feastables uses roasted peanuts that are ground until perfectly creamy. Inside the peanut butter production room, peanuts are fed into giant grinders, the nuts turn into a thick butter, a tiny amount of sugar and salt are mixed in. The mixture is heated slightly to reach. Feastables is known for running strict quality tests. Inside the lab, technicians measure chocolate purity, check texture under a microscope, do melting point tests, test peanut butter consistency, taste samples from every batch. Yup, someone's actual job is to taste test peanut butter cups. Must be nice. Without passing all tests, the batch never gets shipped. Even though the factory handles the manufacturing, MrBeast and his team oversee the branding and flavor development. Everything must follow his brand values: simple ingredients, clean taste, no artificial junk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us which factory you want to explore next.